अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 3.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है हमारे पास, फाइंड फोर्थ प्रोपोर्शनल टू 5 8 15। वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स। सिंपली हमें तीन नंबर्स दिए हुए, हमने फोर्थ प्रोपोर्शन फाइंड करना है। सो लेट एक्स बी द फोर्थ प्रोपोर्शन, देन 5 रेशियो 8 रेशियो 15 रेशियो एक्स। सिंपली फोर्थ प्रोपोर्शन की जगह हमने एक्स ले लिया। अगेन देन वी नो दैट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन्स इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम्स। So 8 into 15 is equal to 5x. So x is equal to 8 into 15 over 5. By simplifying, we get x is equal to 24. Got it? Part 2 is 4x4 to x cube 18x5. Again, let a be the fourth proportional, then 4x4 ratio 2x cube proportion 18x5 ratio a. We know that product of means is equal to product of extremes. So 2x cube into 18x5 is equal to 4x4 into a, and a is equal to 2x cube into 18x5 over 4x4. By simplifying, we get a is equal to 9x4, which is fourth proportional. Got it? Third part is 15a 5 b6 10a square b5 21a cube b cube. Suppose x be the fourth proportion, then 15a 5 b6 ratio 10a square b5 proportion 21a cube b cube ratio x. We know that product of means is equal to product of extremes. So we get 10a square b5 into 21a cube b cube is equal to 15a 5 b6 into x, and x is equal to 10a square b5 into 21a cube b cube over 15a 5 b6. By simplifying, we get x is equal to 14b square. Got it? Fourth part is x square minus 11x plus 24, x minus 3, 5x 4 minus 40x cube. Let a be the fourth proportion, then x square minus 11x plus 24 ratio x ratio x minus 3 proportion 5x4 minus 40x3 ratio a. Now we know that product of means is equal to product of extremes. So we get x minus 3 into 5x4 minus 40x cube is equal to x square minus 11x plus 24 into a. And a is equal to x minus 3 into 5x cube minus x minus 8 over x square minus 11x plus 24. Then we take 5x cube as common, we get left with x minus 8, and here we also form factors. So we get x minus 8, x minus 3. By simplifying and cutting, we get a is equal to 5x cube. Part 5 is p cube plus q cube, p square minus q square, p square minus p cube plus q square. Then let's suppose x be the fourth proportion, then p cube plus q cube ratio p square minus q square proportion p square minus p cube plus q square ratio x. We know that product of means is equal to product of extremes. So p square minus q square into p square minus p cube plus q square is equal to p cube plus q cube into x, and x is equal to p square minus q square into p square minus p cube plus q square over p cube plus q cube. By cutting and simplifying, we get x is equal to p minus q. Part 6 is p square minus q square into p square plus p cube plus q square and p cube plus q cube, p cube minus q cube. Let x be the fourth portion, then p square minus q square into p square plus p cube plus q square ratio p cube plus q cube proportion p cube minus q cube ratio x. We know that product of means is equal to product of extremes. We get p square minus q square into x is equal to p square plus p cube plus q square into p cube plus q cube, and x is equal to p square minus uh, p cube plus q cube minus into p cube minus q cube over p square minus q square into p square plus p cube plus q square. Cut off, we get p x is equal to p square minus p cube plus q square. So question 2 हो चुका है हमारा complete. Hopefully आपको समझ आ गया होगा. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.